Um, so many are asking how to replace or swap the shoulders of any Spider-Man figure that has been released from MAFEX. Starting from this figure, the biceps has been reversed or inverted. So first thing to do is just pull the bicep or the whole arm. So there. Um, so before doing this, my only suggestion is do it if you have the courage or um you are ready to break your figure, because showing the inner part of this joint, the part here usually breaks if you inserted it wrong. So this has a thin thin part of plastic. So yeah, so be careful when you are doing this and be cautious. So back to it. After removing the arm or the bicep part, just remove this piece, the outer piece of the upper shoulder. So after removing it, there, you can just pull it out. So you can see, it has an outer and inner part. The inner part is the joint. So using blower or hot water won't do a thing in here because this plastic is different from this one, and this doesn't go soft after being heat. So I won't remove this one because I'm just showing the process how it's done. So after removing it, do it on the other side as well and swap this plastic here to here. And after that, this is the hard part of the process, which is to put back the bicep. Um, I learned to do this, or how to do this by doing it on the bootleg 075. So it might be hard for first timers. So always check the inside if the whole of the inner and the outer is aligned, and once it's aligned, you can try putting it back. So I suggest that you remove the hand first, the hand that is inserted to your figure. So after removing it, move your move the peg on the side so you might not break it. So after doing that, um what I usually do when putting it back, because I've done this so many times already, I bend the lower part of the arm there, and that is how I push it from uh the elbow joint. So I push it back. So there, it's in already. Not much of a sweat, but I can do this easily because I'm used to it, because I already swapped almost all of my MAFEX figure. But on your first time, be careful, you might break your figures. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Already done this with my Venom, because swapping the shoulders make Venom bulkier, so it makes him look better, I think, for me at least. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.